Hiya people, I thought I'd share this with you because there's a couple of tips. Now the wife says this wall is a bit bland and needs something, so we decided on a shelf. We got some old wood out of a skip at a church. The benefits of old wood: it's dry, it's straight, it's done all its bending. So we sanded it down and it came out looking like this. These planks are about 6 inch by 1 inch. So the next stage is to glue and clamp them together using polyurethane wood glue. This stuff expands in the gaps, goes everywhere. Absolutely lovely stuff. Now it's time to dye it, and I use this dye. I don't use wood stain because it peels off, whereas dye actually soaks into the wood like this. Now after about 15 minutes the colour changes a bit as it soaks in. You can see it's got a lot lighter there on the left 2 planks than the third one over on the right that's just been done. And now looking at the current one that's still wet, you can see the difference between the 3. And remember, it will change colour again when you varnish it. Now I'm going to use something called Terrabene dryer. You add it to the varnish, just give it a stir. It will make this varnish dry in about an hour instead of 16. And you can give it 3 or 4 coats in one day. You can use it on good old-fashioned paint as well. I used to use this stuff when working on boats, so I know it works. Due to the workshop being smaller than the conservatory, I've had to build this shelf in a couple of different lengths. Right, another quick look at the shelfless wall. We've got to move that light out of the way. We're going to start up the far end. I put a couple of holes into that concrete lintel, put some raw plugs in, tap them home, and they're ready to take a bracket and a couple of screws. Nice and easy. And I'm going to stick a bracket up the opposite far end of the wall, and then I'm going to show you how to line all your brackets up the full length of the wall. All you need to do is attach a piece of string this end, pull it tight all the way across to the bracket at the other end. Make sure it is ultra tight, and what we will have is a very straight line. Now it's very simple. Just fit your brackets to the height of the string line, and then you're ready to put your shelves up. There'll be another bracket going right in the middle where the join is, and 4 screws going in this piece of wood at the ends to hold it all together. And there we have it, one shiny shelf that got 4 coats of varnish in one day. Happy wife, happy life. Now you can see the shine on the underneath of that shelf now I've put the light on. That varnish dryer really did the trick. And at night time, using the LED light I fitted ages ago above it, it looks even better. Right, thanks for watching. Very soon I'll have a barbecue build coming up from an oil drum. So subscribe so you don't miss that.